Good morning, on and all present here. I am Nandhini, working as an assistant professor in National College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic on IPV roles in IoT. What is a role of IPV? IPV, with its abundant and address spaces, globally unique objects identifications, permanent unique identifiers, and object IDs. What is an identifier? Identifier is used as two ways. One is what is the purpose of identifier. Next one is what is the particularity in using that identifier. And these identification codes can be of two IDs. One is an object ID and the second one is a communication ID. Object ID consists of an unique addresses, for example URLs, like that you can be using. And then communication address is used for transferring one file to the another file, for example media access control or Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Unique network addresses have been used in IPv6. 4 and 6 stands for the version 4 and version 6. IPv stands for Internet Protocol. NADR location can be identifiably unique, and the IPv6 offers a much larger 2 part 2 power 128 space, number of available unique node addresses, and 2 power 128, 10 power 39, etc. have been used. And an advantage of IPv6, scalability and expanded address capabilities have been used. IPv6 has 128-bit address versions and 32-bit IPv4 addresses. Example, IPv6 address 192.168.1.1. Examples of IPv addresses consist of a larger amount of zeros, ones, caps, letters, alphabets, etc. It consists of three things. One is a plug and play, security, and a mobility. And the plug and play stands for IPv6 includes a plug and play mechanism that equipments to the network, which provides facilitate the connections to the networks. Next one is the security. It includes the requirements of security for specifications such as payload, encryption, authentication of the services of the communication. Mobility. IPv6 includes an efficient and robust mobility mechanisms, namely an enhancement support for mobile IP, specifically the set of mobile IPv6 node or devices. Have a basic protocol stack that supports as a minimal local connectivity and networking connectivity. In addition, some high layer application supports protocols have been generated needed. IoT devices may have capability different such as maximum transaction differences. Simplified versions consist of full blow web protocol stack, HTTPs, hypertext transfer protocol, TCP, transaction control protocol, like this have been used. COAP stands for Constrained Application Protocol, and single stack versions and dual stacks have been used. Sleep schedules, security protocols, processing and communication bandwidth, etc. have been used here. Typical requirements includes the following capabilities. In the read transition, network recovers from packet loss or inform applications. Recovery is immediate on the order of RTTS, not second network independent of MAC or PHY. Scale, thousands of nodes, multiple link speeds, multicast throughout the network. Reliability, and duplicate suppressing emergency messages of router or queued around other traffic schedules as delivered. The routing traffic delivery in sequences, exchange of multi-segment records have been used, separate timers by peer messages, network and application versioning, pooling of nodes, sequential independent of responses, securely using. Paradigm supports peer-to-peer, not everything is client or server. Strong encryption, mutual authentication, protection against record or playback attacks. Capabilities of using it in many ways. Discovery nodes, discover node capabilities, deliver multi-segmentation records. Strong encryption, which consists of mutual authentication, protecting against the records or playback attacks, and suits B shooters. Polling of nodes. What is a sequential thing? There is a numbers or something which are in the form of a sequential order. Independent of response, which it gives us a response in an independent way. Next one is a paradigm supports peer-to-peer communication. Not everything in client or server side. Something has been there for customer, for usage of the customer or for someone else also. Discovering the nodes have been discovered. It consists of a multi-segmented records. Exchange of multi-segmented records have been used. Networks and application versionings have been given here. The encryptions have been securely encrypted, strongly encrypted, mutually authenticated, protection of records, attack suits, etc. have been used in this IPv6 throughout the network, relieving in a duplicate manner. Thank you so much.